Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi. So, welcome to our speech for the electrical safety. First and foremost, let us introduce ourselves. This is the first one. Her name is Nur Faizatul Farhayu binti Shahriman, or you guys can call her as Ayu. The matrix number KNJ 210110319. And the other side, which is me, Yamim Idham bin Ibrahim Idham. You can call me Yamim or whatever you want. Okay, my matrix number is KNJ 210110533. So let's go for the first part, which is electrical safety. So
Okay,
I will pass to Ayu.
Okay, thank you, Yamim. Now, we want to talk about electrical safety. For sure, the voltage of the electricity and the available electrical current in regular business and home has enough power to cause deaths by electrician. Even changing a light bulb without unplugging the lamp can be hazard because coming in contact with the hot energies or live pipe of the socket could kill a person. How so dangerous electric if used with a wrong way?
Yes, Ayu. Even changing a light bulb without unplugging the lamp can be hazardous because coming in contact with the hot, energized, or live part of the socket could kill a person. How so dangerous electric if used with wrong way? Now, I want to pass to Faiza to you to give some knowledge about electrical safety.
Okay, firstly, we start with hazard. What are the hazard? The main hazard of working with electricity are electric shock and burn from contact with live part and injury from exposure to rising fire from faulty electrical equipment or installation.
It can harm yourself if you not be careful. Explosion caused by unsuitable electrical apparatus or static electricity, igniting flammable vapors or dust. For example, in a spray paintboard. Electric shocks can also lead to other types of injury. For example, by causing a fall from ladders or scaffolds.
Now we move to the next point. What should we do? You must ensure an assessment has been made of any electrical hazard, which cover who could be harmed by them. How the level of risk has been established, the precaution taken to control that risk. And also the risk assessment should take into consideration the type of electrical equipment used, the way in which it used, and the environment that is used in.
Okay, you must make sure that the electrical installation and the electrical equipment it is very suitable for its intended use and the condition in which it is operated, only used for its intended purpose. It went in wet surroundings, unsuitable equipment can become leaf and make its surrounding leaf too. Fuses, circuit breakers, and other devices must be correctly read by the circuit. They protect. Isolators and fuse box cases should be kept closed and, if possible, locked. Okay, cable, plugs, sockets, and fittings must be robust enough and adequately protect for the working environment. Ensure that machinery has accessible switched or isolated to cut off the power quickly in an emergency.
Wow, it's so dangerous for us if we not be careful. Now, when is someone competent to do electric works? So Yamin, what you think?
Uh, of course, when they have knowledge about electrical safety.
That's true. In this context, a competent person is someone who has the suitable training, skill, and knowledge the task to be undertaken to prevent injury to themselves and others. A successfully complete electrical apprenticeship with some posts and apprenticeship experience is one way of demonstrating technical competence for general electrical world.
Oh, it's more specialized work such as maintenance of high voltage switchgear or control system modification is almost are certainly likely to require additional training and experience.
Okay, the next part is overheat electric line. Be aware of the danger working near or underneath overheat power lines. Electric can flash over from them, even though machinery or equipment may not touch them.
Don't work under them when equipment such as ladders, a crane jeep, a tipper lorry body, or a scaffold pole. These things could come within a minimum of 6 meters of a power line without getting advice. Okay, speak to the line owner, the electricity company, railway company, or a train operator before any works begin.
Okay, now we go to the conclusion to avoid anything big. Okay, firstly, ensure that we could know how to use the electrical equipment safely. And second, make sure enough sockets are available. Firstly, check that socket outlets are not overloaded by using unfused adapters, as this can be cause fires. And third point is ensure there are no trailing cables that can cause people to trip or fall. And fourth, switch off and unplug appliances before cleaning or adjusting them. Last, ensure everyone look for electrical wires, cable, or equipment near where they are going to work and check sign warning of dangers from electricity or any of other hazard. Check should be made around from electricity. The job are, and remember that electrical cable may be within wall, floor, and ceiling, especially when drilling into this location. So Yamim, if you
So,
have a point.
yes, I have. I also have some advice to everyone, which is first we must make sure that anyone working with electricity have a sufficient skills, knowledge, and experience to do so. Incorrectly wiring a plug can be dangerous and lead to fatal accident or fires. Number two, stop using equipment immediately if it appears to be faulty. Have it checked by a competent person. Number three, ensure any electrical equipment brought to work by employees or any hired or borrowed is suitable for use before using it and remains suitable by being maintained as necessary. Okay, consider using a residual current device or RCD between the electric supply and the equipment, especially when working outdoors or within a wet or confined place. Okay, or you can see at HSC's electrical safety at work site.
Wow, the advice so usable for us. So That's all from us. Hope you guys get some knowledge about electrical safety, because electrical safety is so important to everyone know and have at least a bit of knowledge and learning something to make everyone keep safe. That's all. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.